Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd make a video showing me place a trade on a trial FTMO account, and I'm risking 1% per trade. I said in my last video that I failed my 10k FTMO challenge that I paid for, and because I just feel like I'm still not ready to take another one, I'm just now doing the trial until I feel more confident, because yeah, I've lost a lot of confidence. I failed that, but yeah, I thought I'd show why I'm waiting for this trade currently, because something I need to learn is the patience and waiting for the correct signal for me to get into a trade. Because I'm so impatient, I just always place a trade willy-nilly and don't wait for a correct. But this trade I can see on the weekly where this candle's come out taking the money, the dailies to stop these people out today, and then it went down, but then there's people up here that still got trading, and then this has now come down. This came up taking the money from these people, so I'm looking to take a short around this. I'm looking to take a short around this area here. But on the 5 minute, I'm waiting for a candle like this, like a bearish engulfing candle, to engulf a bullish candle to signify to me to take the short. Because something I always do, I just normally will just see oh yeah, it's gone above here, it's gone above there, I'll take the short. But I want to wait for a better confidence before I place a trade, because I feel like doing that helps. Because even now that I've waited, I was going to do it around here, but I can see it's gone up further. So just being patient and waiting has already benefited me so much more than just looking at and placing the trade straight away. Because yeah, because patience is my biggest downfall. I now just want to teach myself to be patient. So that's all I'm doing. I'm sitting on my fat bum and I'm waiting for the correct sign to get into the trade. But yeah, I still don't. It's tempting to get in to it now because that does look juicy. But I want to, like I said, I want to wait for this sort of thing where there's a bullish candle and then it's engulfed by a bearish candle. Like I said, because I'm risking 1%, I use the baby pip size calculator. So that's the account balance. I'm risking 1%. Doing 8 pip stop loss, and then it tells me how many lots I want to do, which has told me to do 14.4 lots for this trial account. So I guess maybe I did miss this trade. I should have waited. Like now I'm already in my head. I'm like, oh god, why didn't I just place a trade then? But I need to say it didn't fit the criteria in my head of engulfing. So yeah. Because I get on the 15. So even now I'm changing my rule. Maybe I should, now I want to be oh, but the 15-minute candles engulfed this one. So maybe I should place the trade. This is the battle. This is my problem. I'm doing it right now. But should I place? Yeah. Yeah, I think I am. I'm gonna place it here because the 15-minute candles engulfed this 15-minute candle. So yeah, I'm gonna take the short. And then I'm going to drag my stop loss to 8 pips. So 80 points for 8 pips. And then do a 1 to 3 risk to reward. And now I need to wait and see what the market does. But hopefully this trade. See, this is what I'm doing wrong. I'm even doing it wrong now. I've just completely disregarded what I just said. I literally was just I'm waiting for a 5-minute candle to engulf a bullish candle, and then I've gone to the 15-minute time frame, seen it's done it there, and now taking the trade. So this is why I always mess with my head. Oh, I hate myself. But yeah, I will stop the video and I'll update you in a bit how the trade is doing. Okay, so it's literally been 5-10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, it's not looking good. I'm such an idiot. Why? So like I said, on the 15 just now, when it did that, I took the short. But if I'd listened to my original thing with waiting for it to a 5-minute candle to engulf the previous candle, I would have still hadn't placed a trade at the moment. And as you can see, price just straight away went all the way up to here. So I should have waited and listened to my original rules. And this is exactly my problem. It's just then I did the thing where I just switch. I'm just such a mess. Why do I not stick to anything? And this is why I lack discipline. Now I'm oh, I should just listen to my 5-minute. But it's no, yeah, it's so annoying. Yeah, I should because I wouldn't have entered the short if I just waited, and I could have particularly gotten up here and waited for the 5 minute engulfing candle. But yeah, it ain't looking promising, I'll tell you that. It's gonna stop me out. Yeah, like as soon as look on 15, as soon as I placed that trade, it went straight up, and I guess that's because maybe this candle took the money from these people. I don't know, I'm not trying to justify it, I'm an idiot. I need to go smash my head into a brick wall right now, but I'm still gonna wait. It's definitely gonna stop me out. But when it does stop me out, because it obviously is, this is exactly why I failed my other FTMO challenge. Why do I take an FTMO challenge and expect to pass it when I can't even stick to a basic rule? Like, but yeah, when this does eventually stop me out, I'm then just going to continue to wait again to my original thing, wait for the 5 minute, and I'm not going to place any more trades. I'm just going to wait for it to engulf the candle and then place the trade, because I feel like if I then go back over here, like if I like here, yeah, I feel like it's just better to wait for the, like here, I just feel like it's better to wait for a fight. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just chatting shit at this point. But yeah, it's not looking promising. It's gonna, the evil markets are gonna gobble my money away. Yeah, sad times. Because that's what they say as well. If I was to actually just listen to the information I've been taught from like videos and stuff, and stick to the rules and my strategy, then if it was to like just now go the different direction and stop me out like it has, I would be more okay with that, because I'm like, okay, it's just a loss, it didn't fit my plan. Whereas now, because I'm switching between like you saw then, I went to the 15-minute candle and was justified in my head, like, okay, it's on the 15 instead of the 5. Now when it stops me out, I'm going to be like, oh, I should have listened, and I had that doubt. Whereas if I'd stuck to my original plan and it did stop, when it does stop me out, I would be more okay with it, because I'm like, it's just a loss and it was okay. But because I've just done that, now I'm like, yeah. But yeah, I'll update you again in like 10-15 minutes to see if it did stop me out. So I think it's been about an hour, and the trade, to my amazement, is starting to go the other direction. I'm still not happy with it, because like I said, I completely disregarded my rules and just again changed it just based on my emotions. But as I said before, I entered on this 15-minute candle here, and then the price went all the way up. But if I, like I said, originally stuck to my 5-minute candle, like the bearish candle engulfing the bullish candle, like up here, if I had listened to that original like plan, I would have taken the short here, and I wouldn't have unnecessarily took the trade here and had all this come up here. So that just again plays with my emotions. Like, I wish I just listened to myself and was actually disciplined. So I'm kind of annoyed by that. So I still think this trade will stop me out, and I probably will break it even if it does go past my where I initially placed the trade. But that's the thing, even if it was to hit my take profit, I'm still annoyed at myself and don't see it as successful, even though it probably won't be successful, because I completely disregarded my rules, and I wish I listened to what I originally said, and it's very annoying. But yeah, so like I said, I entered here, and then it just completely went, nah mate, we're not going that way, we're going the other way. And then it went up here, and then it did a bearish engulfing 5-minute candle, and now it started going down. And the New York session just opened, so there's more like money in the market now. Yeah, also this is so random, I absolutely hate the word liquidity. Why does I probably said it myself, but why does every video on TikTok, YouTube just say liquidity? I hate that word. Like, just say money, it's money. I just feel like everyone puts these fancy words on all this stuff, like candles move up and down, and your goal is to try and catch a move where it goes up or it goes down. That's literally all the markets are. There's just so many like horrific buzzwords. Like, someone could be like, this is the Nan 2000 wikifying Lord of the Gods Almighty Forex, and then flog it for like 50 quid as a course, and people will buy it. But it's the same thing, it's just a candle. But yes, it looks like it's now going the other direction. But as I keep banging on about, it's just annoying, because I'm like, if I had just listened to it and didn't place a trade there, I could have saved myself all this time and emotion by just sticking to what I originally said. But again, it probably will just go up and stop me out. But yeah, I would have been at ease better with my emotions. And as well, what I like about this kind of strategy, because it's basically Falcon FX, is that because it's like in a way positioned well within the market, like this is at the top. If I draw it quickly, this is at the top of this like massive bearish flag, and then the daily for, because it's like positioned well, it has the potential to go a lot further down, and that's why I wanna, when I do start getting a bit better and stop letting my emotions get the better of me, is like trading my stop losses, because I know it's positioned like higher up within that pattern, it has the potential to like trickle down, keep going up, taking money, like trickle down, and I like want to ride the wave to try and make a higher risk to reward. Yeah, that's what I like about this strategy. It's just I need to get better entries and just listen to my demon in my head. But yes, I will update you again in probably like an hour, or when it stops me out, how the trade is going. Hi guys, so it's actually the next day now, so it's been like 12 hours or more. I can't remember how long it's actually been. So I actually got stopped out of that trade, but it did go down like quite a lot. So technically I should have broke it even, but I didn't. But I took I think it was that 1% loss on that trade, but it was around, so if I think this is right, so on the 15 I entered on this candle here, I think, when it broke, but then it went up, but it stayed in. But the trades I'm on now, these are different trades I placed, but then it went all the way down here, so it nearly did hit my take profit, but I think I was sleeping when it stopped me out, so I technically should have put my trade to break even. So yeah, I entered on this, around this area here, went down, but then it just came up in the middle of the night and stopped me out. But I re-entered the trade again here, because if I do the same thing, go to weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, I can see where, because I entered here, this has then come up, it stopped all these people out, and then it's looking to go further down in my theory, so that's why I re-entered the trade. But again, this is just a trial account. I don't think this is 1% I risk. I just put the same lot size on before. But yeah, I thought I wasn't going to upload this video because I'm just like, oh, that's so bad, but it's better to be like realistic and just show the truth instead of like lying. But yeah, in future I need to put it to break even. But I'm thinking of doing a video series where I buy my next 10k FTMO challenge, but record the whole process. So I'll every time I place a trade, I will record me placing the trade, because I feel like that'll motivate me more to actually wait and be more disciplined for the trades. And I also just like making YouTube videos. But yeah, thank you for watching, and goodbye.